Hi everyone! It's 2:40 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 8:40 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, requested by my asawa, nagluto ako ng ginataang dabong or bamboo shoot. Tapos may, what you call that? Spinach. Ayan. Kalabasa, green beans. Yes. And yan. Yung dabong na yan guys. Yan, dabong. And of course guys, ang halo natin is pasayan. Ayan. Pasayan at pritong galunggong. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Sarap na naman ang kain natin ito guys. At actually guys, luto na to guys. So ayan guys. Kain tayo guys. And of course guys, dahil masarap ang ating ulam, of course, rice is life. So